How to fix your YouTube Shorts recommendations. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix your YouTube Shorts recommendations. Open your YouTube application on your mobile device. Tap on the U icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, look for Manage All History and tap on it. Once you're in the Manage All History section, tap on Delete. Then tap on Delete All Time. Tap on Delete to confirm the deletion. Finally, tap on OK to complete the process. Go back to the main YouTube screen. Then, tap on the Shorts section. As you can see, your YouTube Shorts recommendations should now be fixed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.